Morning, students. Dear students, attitude is everything. This is the listening passage prescribed for Unit 1 of your English reader. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer named Hafiz in Africa. He was leading life quite happily. He had a wonderful farm and a beautiful house, and he was very happy because he was content. And he was content because he was happy. One day, a wise man visited Hafiz's house. He said something great about diamonds. Mr. Hafiz, do remember the fact that if you possess a diamond of your thumb size, you will be the owner of a city. If you consist of a diamond of your fist size, you can be the king of a country. Saying so, the wise man left him. Thereafter, Hafiz was not content because he was not happy. He was not happy because he was not content. He put his house and farm for sale and left for rest of the parts of African country in search of diamonds. Alas, with his dismay, he found diamonds nowhere. He moved on to European countries. He visited all the countries of Europe, but he found diamonds nowhere. Finally, he reached Spain. And during his stay in Spain, he was deserted. He broke emotionally, physically, and financially. And one day, he threw himself into Barcelona river waters. That's the end of his life. He committed suicide. In the meanwhile, the person who purchased the farm and house of Hafiz was watering them. At that moment, he found that sun's rays were falling upon a stone and which was shining. He collected the stone and kept it in a mantelpiece in his house. After a few days, the wise man visited the house again. He inquired about Hafiz and came to know that the house was purchased by the current owner. Then the wise man happened to see the shining stone. The wise man understood that it was a diamond. Where did you get this diamond? While watering the plants near the stream of my farm, I found this stone, sir. Let us go there again. Let us find in search of some other diamonds. Both of them went there. Oh my God! Acres and acres of his lands are filled with the same stones. When they were sent for testing, it was traced that all of them were diamonds. Poor Hafiz could not trace that the diamonds are surrounded by his house and committed suicide. That's the end of the story. And now, based on the story, we have been given an interesting exercise here. Look at the blackboard. There are 10 jumbled sentences here. And you need to put them in appropriate order. And now, your task is that one after the other should come here and put appropriate number in the brackets provided at the end of every sentence. Are you ready? And now, the first chance goes to Lakshmi Sudha.
A wise man told him about the glory of sentence. This sentence gets first place.
That night the farmer couldn't sleep. The sentence occupied number 2. My name is Ashish.
He was unhappy and he was discontented. This gets third place. My name is Kusma.
He made arrangements to sell off his farm and he went to searching of diamonds. This gets to fourth place. My name is Gangajindar Babu.
He looked all through Europe and could not find any. This sentence gets fifth place. My name is Kenati.
He threw himself into the Barcelona river and committed suicide. The sentence get number 6. My name is Ian Aishwarya.
The person who had brought his from was watering the camels at a stream. This sentence gets surplus. My name is Neeraj.
He picked up the stone and put in the living room. My name is Kesavan. Sentence gets 8. The wise man said, because that is a diamond. The sentence belongs 9th place. My name is K. Jyoti.
They found that the farm of inlet covered with acres and acres of diamonds. This sentence occupies 10. My name is S.A. Janya.
And now, all the sentences in appropriate order will jointly be read by Krupa and Dharani.
A wise man told him about the glory of diamonds.
That night the farmer couldn't sleep.
He was unhappy and he was discontented.
He made arrangements to sell off his farm and went in search of diamonds.
He looked all through Europe and could not find any.
He threw himself in the Barcelona river and committed suicide.
The person who had bought his farm was watering the camels at a stream.
He picked up the stone and put it in the living room.
The wise man said, because there is a diamond.
They found that the farm was indeed covered with acres and acres of diamonds.
Thank you.
Dear students, that's all about today's session. Hope you all enjoyed this task. And tomorrow I will meet you with yet another interesting task. Until then, bye. Thank you.